Hey guys, welcome to Shadowbuild Garage. I am Jose. Camera person today is Maribel, my wife. We have our 2001 Duramax here. We've already used parts from an OEM 2019 in order to mock things up. We had to lengthen this kit by 13 inches, about this portion, in order to make it fit this length of a nose on this truck. We also had to extend the width by about 4 inches. We have incorporated that this line, instead of going down like it would be on those trucks on the last generation, we made it flow up to the top of the door. Same thing, we incorporated the HD trim style that used to be on these generations, on the heavy duty style. We kept it on the front and kept it on the back, as you can see over there. We made sure that we followed all these body lines all the way to the front, blended in there, and it rolls all the way to the back. You can see that we made sure that everything is nice and smooth on these fenders in order to flow with the rest of the truck. And the back over here, you'll be able to see that we already went ahead and shaped everything for it to accept the new style tail lights. Customers will be able to get any lights that they want, from fancy to standard, LED or non-LED, but the molds will be ready to accept the new generation tail lights. The body line, we also made sure it just fit perfectly the way we made it, that it fits to the bottom of the tail light. It didn't end halfway or too low. The molds will also have space for the bumpers that are on the market already. So any bumper that customers can buy from Amazon or any other specific companies that make bumpers for the last generation Silverado, it'll just bolt right up. Back to the front, you'll be able to see that we have made everything and everything's ready to accept the OEM grille, headlights, bumpers. Everything is made to mock up with whatever customers are able to purchase. So being in their budget or their style, they'll be able to just get this kit and it'll bolt right up to everything else.